Hey guys, welcome back. It's me Rosani again. Today I'm making my first vlog. It's a holiday vlog. It's a second Saturday, so I wake up little late. It's around 7:30 a.m. I have done my fresh up and now I'm doing little skincare. Not much, but one moisturizer and one sunscreen. And I have some other video plans, but I am little busy right now, so I will make it a little later. Some coffee for my breakfast. And for my English, please don't mind if I make mistakes in between in fluency or in grammar or in accent, because I am not good in English. I'm looking forward to improve myself through this process. This is the view through my window. It's already 8 a.m. So let's start study. It's 12 p.m. so I'm taking my lunch now. After lunch, I did my laundry and took a nap, but it was so long that it's already 6 p.m. So I start cleaning my room. After that, I have taken bath. I'll use this here because my friend playing this. This is my dinner. I am back It's already 9. Let's start studying. Normally, I don't study very late. Like I sleep around 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. But today I have already slept a lot during evening, so I am staying little lately. It's already 2. I'll sleep now. Good night. Thank you for watching, guys.